Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and if you're here, it's because you want to know how to make really cool thumbnails for your YouTube videos. This is a tool I use. There's a link to it underneath this video. Let me show you how easy it is to make really cool thumbnails with this. You can do it from your YouTube channel. You can click here, it'll grab all your YouTube videos, and you can create a new thumbnail and have it uploaded straight to your account. But I'm going to show you how to do it from scratch. Start with no video, continue, and we've got so many different templates in here. Look at this. Oops. Look at all these templates that you can use. I mean, these things just pop and they're done for you. But let's say you wanted to use one of these but modify it a little bit, okay? So let's say we use this one. And take that out. And let's say I didn't like this picture. I can delete it, and then I can go here and find an image. You can upload your own. They have a bunch of them in here that are just included. See? Say I want this one. I'm going to put this here, put that there. And then I'm going to go and send backwards. Okay? And then here, you can type in whatever you want. Lose weight, eating this. Okay, and I can go and make that a little bit smaller. So I can change that to wow. Okay, see how easy it is? And then you can save it as a JPEG or as a PNG. I like saving mine as JPEG. And then you can go and upload it to YouTube. That was really easy, right? It took us a couple minutes. And if I didn't like it, I can go cancel. And oops. Cancel and go pick a different one. Very, very easy. Now, thumbnails that actually really pop and people want to click on that I have found. So I hope that explains it. Click the link below if you want to get it, and have fun making these. Have a nice day. Bye.